Alright, you ready to see this? Dang, son. This is heavy, too. Alright, guys. Let's see what we got in here. Blue headlights. Alpharex. I ordered the Pro Series. Or these are actually the Nova Series Alpharex headlights. Dang, son. Let's see. Dang. Open this up. Dude, these are huge. These are the sequential ones where it does that little light show. See, I got the all blacked inside, the chrome delete one, and these DRL bars will light up. And I got the dual projectors, low and high beams. And then on the back, and this is a direct plug and play. It's full bolt on. Literally has the wires right here, and it just connects to your original housing. Super easy. And I think it comes with, yeah, it comes with the, oh cool, so it already came with the parking light, or this turn signal light, so I don't have to take out the other one from my stock housing, which is perfect. I was afraid I had to do that. But yeah, and there are already LEDs in there, so they're not halogen bulbs or anything like that. So we're gonna get those installed, and then also, then, with that, we also got this, which is the Raptor grill light. You'll see here. So this is the grill lights, the 3 amber, or I think it's like 4 amber grill lights. So those are gonna get installed at the same time. I'm gonna do a full walk around, or do a full installation video while installing this. But basically, it's like the Raptor lights, and it's made for literally my STX grill. And this will hook up to the back of the parking light, and it'll all be done at the same time. So, and that is the harness. This part goes into your original headlight. That goes into this, and then this goes into the back of this headlight. So, super cool stuff. Got a lot of things on the way. But, alright, I'll catch y'all later. Peace. Alright, so this is them one more time. Super cool stuff. I'm excited to install these. It's gonna be awesome. And then this was the Raptor lights I was talking to you about. These, and then the other headlights on the bottom. That goes to the grill light. This is the wiring harness to this if you want like full daytime running lights. Not going to need this now, but I'll save it just in case I do want to do that later on down the road. And the other ones in here, I'll go ahead and get that. Alright, let's get to business on this. We have our Raptor lights, we have the Alpharex headlights. So this is going to be looking really different in a little bit. Let's get right into it.